Hi, welcome back to another video. We are going to have a little play with some gel polish. I've put some tips on here ready. I'm just going to base and then we're going to go over with some white. So I will whiz through this bit and then I'll put some music over and then I'll come back on. Okay, while that's curing, we're still going to need the white, but I've also pulled out these three colours, and it is a dark blue 030 and a lilac colour 114 and a light blue 113. Right. I think I'm going to put this one down first. We are going to have a go at Chain Dragon. Now, I watch about 3 different art pages, and this guy does, well, I'll have to leave the link for you, but he does them on canvas, and I'll pull them out quickly. He does them on canvas, and what he does is, obviously your canvas comes white, so he puts a slip layer of black down. Now he uses obviously acrylic paints, so he puts a slip layer down across the whole of the canvas in black, and while it's wet he will lay down so many colours, then he will dip his chain in it, and occasionally he has left the chain on the like the bottom of the wherever he's put it, and he will put the collar over the top, and then he lifts his chain up and then puts it across his canvas and just gives it a pull. Now obviously there's got to be some kind of technique to it, but I had a little go earlier on one nail. Now are you ready for this? This is funny, because the one half came out really well, which was that half, and I thought that's really nice actually, but then look at the other half. So I've got to try different techniques until I get it right. I'd love it if it was like that mostly, because I think that side's cool, but we can but have a go. Now I have only put one coat on nails of white. Before we do the chain bit, we will put another coat of white on, but I will leave it uncured to put the chain in. So let's have a go. Try and get them as close to each other. I don't know if I'm putting too much down, too little. Years ago I did have a go at doing this with string, and you put a piece of paper inside a book, obviously fold it in half, so then you dip your chain or your string, whatever you're using. I did it with string back then. Place the string down, shut the book, and then slowly pull the string out, and the pattern it made is amazing. I'm not going to put too much of that down because that's such a dominant colour. Get that ready. Right, let's have a bash. Right, I'm going to go in with another coat of white. I've had to use a Beatles white because I don't have an Aimeili white. Otherwise I would have used an Aimeili white. I'm going to put that down for a second while I attempt to drop this in like so. This is the scary bit. Obviously you're going to have stuff on one side and not the other, so I'm going to try and put it down again and pick it back up. Ooh. I'm going to hold it further down so I've got a bit more control over it. I'm going to wait for it to stop rocking. I'm going to go up like so. And then I'm going to pull. And it's come off the nail. I knew it would. But that's not bad. Should we go in the other way? So I need to manoeuvre it round so it doesn't fall off the nail so much. Well, it's not bad. It's sort of okay. I'm going to clean that in a second. Put that one in. I'm going to do the same again. I'm going to try putting the chain in different places. I ought to try string as well really, but that means going in the shed and ferking 5 ton of stuff out. Just cleaning these little balls. Right, I think we use the same colour again. This time I'm going to go in the top, to the top this time. Right, I'll wait for it to stop rocking again. Oh, that's even worse. Right, let's get the other one out. Put that one in. Put that one on for a moment. I should put some top coat on this one. Blue is so dominant. Right, let's clean that quickly. Let's go for another. It's the trouble when you haven't got a big canvas to work on. I was watching one of his videos and he did like a sunset and oh my god, it was lovely. So I might have to go at something like that at some point. I don't know how I'm going to manage it on a nail, but shall we go across this time? Right, keep still, don't move. I think that would have been quite nice actually if I needed some more polish on there, I think. I'm going going to try that one again in a minute. Right, that one's done. These will definitely be going in the bin. Oh dear. Right. Anybody watching Celebs Go Dating? I think Alison Hammond is brilliant. I love her to bits. I think she's so nice. Let's go that one next. Right. Right. Can't remember how I did that one now. How did I do that one? Did I go across the middle, didn't I? Just wait for it to slow down moving. Well, that was shit. Let's go the opposite way. I don't like the one half, but the other half looks alright. I will master the technique. Even if it kills me. So that one's done. Oh well, it's good to have a play. You never know, something might turn out nice and then you'll like it and do it again. Right, last one, and then we can have a laugh at them all. Easier with acrylic paint because you could just drop this in water then to clean it. Just being awkward using I'm not going to dip the other side, I'm going to leave it. I think that's about the best one out of all of them. It is. Pop that one in. Well, that was something different, to say the least. I think I'll stick with ombre brush and I suppose if you've got a big canvas, it's got to be a nap to it. But I thought I'd give it a go. Let's move that out the way over there for a moment. Get the one what I did earlier, give you a laugh. Pop this one quickly. Put the top on that, otherwise I'll go to pick it up and the top won't be on it. Knowing my luck. Well, wasn't that entertaining? It just looks like somebody's thrown a load of paint. I love this effect, what it gives you when the chain drags, but I don't like I think I put too much on, right in this bit, because the chain drag bit is quite nice. But there you go. If you do any and you put them on Instagram or Facebook, tag me. Right, I'm going to tidy up this bloody mess now. And it's a good job I've got a piece of chain. I've got to clean it off though, because I bought these. They're like the diamond painting things. So these are key rings what I bought to do some key rings to give us gifts, and it had got little chains in it, and I thought, I know what I can do. So I've got to clean that chain up now because it's got to go on that. It's a bit of a mess. They won't know. Right, I'll leave you in peace. I'll leave some photos for you to laugh at. Okay?